My name is Ivar Namias de Crasto. I am the IT manager here at SVB. I joined SVB about 11 years ago.
I'm Wouter Lusink. I joined SVB 8 years ago.
Well, basically, since we have started using WaveMaker 4 years ago, we have been able to do more in-house development of our software. So it's more in our hands, and that has several benefits for us. The main one being that we have to rely much less on external IT consultants, and also because of that we are able to save costs related to IT projects. And also we were able to shorten the development time of several of our projects, especially compared to before when we were working with external consultants. So basically we save costs and shorter development time, and that makes us happy. So that's what I can say about it. Wouter?
I'd like to add that I noticed that the WaveMaker team is always updating the WaveMaker platform to the latest versions of all the open source libraries and frameworks that they are using. So that means that we get the latest features and more importantly, I think we get the latest security updates. We get to use a more modern technology. For example, our customers will see that we are using a more modern platform for our applications, and we can phase out some other older applications that we are using currently, which use some technologies that are no longer supported. So it's really time to replace those older applications, and we can do that now thanks to WaveMaker. We can do it in-house.
We did an integration using an app called Face++, which is a facial recognition app. Basically, we built in a control mechanism that uses facial recognition in order to authenticate a person that is standing in front of a healthcare provider and make sure that that person is the same person that is registered in our system. So because of that, we were able to improve the controls in our systems, and the integration went very well, and we tested it and it works fine. So we are very happy with that. And besides that, we also did some integrations with Sucuri APIs. Sucuri is a web application firewall, and the integration that we did was basically we were able to we integrated with the API in order to automatically clear the cache of the web application firewall. So because of that, right now we don't have to log into Sucuri every time and go through the menus and clear the cache by hand, as a way to speak. We can do it automatically with the app through the integration. So we are also very happy with that, and we are also looking for additional integrations with additional softwares and apps using WaveMaker in the future. Our main objective is in a couple of years to minimize the amount of clients that have to come here to our building physically. So we want to expose our services online so they can just log in online and do whatever they need to do. So with that in mind, right now what we are doing is we are starting the process of building more and more portals in order to make those services accessible to the clients outside. And WaveMaker is basically our main tool for that. So we are using WaveMaker to build several portals. We actually have one of those portals, of those systems that have already been built, and we are in the process of rolling it out in the coming months. Another thing that we are using and that we will continue to use WaveMaker for is to integrate with APIs and use that to integrate with systems of other companies and also other softwares. So that's that. And another thing that we have in mind for the future is to build a SVB app. So it's basically a small app that our customers, our clients can download on their smartphones. And that is also something we are looking to WaveMaker to build with.